Happy New Year, everyone! It's wonderful to see you all for another lesson at the all-new Learner's Brook.
Since we are celebrating the start of 2026, we thought that we should ring in the year by focusing on building precise vocabulary, mastering descriptive words and phrasings, associating them with the New Year vibe, and our future goals.
So, are you all ready to join our New Year party? Let's travel around this friendly neighborhood and explore the grand celebrations.
New Year's Eve is often a vibrant night, full of energy and color. If the celebration is very happy and full of joy, we call it jubilant.
Hey Lily, just look at the decorations. They are not just pretty, they are dazzling. Which means they shine so brightly, they almost blind you. Hey, I just remembered, you did cover the word dazzling in one of your previous sessions. Right?
That's right, Zac. These words are helping us describe the party atmosphere we see all around.
Wow! Just look at these fireworks. They are a spectacular sight. If they make you feel amazed, you can describe them as awe-inspiring.
Hey Zac, listen to that. The sound is thundering, and the colors are prismatic. It looks just like a rainbow in the night sky.
Well, I am completely mesmerized by this beautiful display of fireworks.
Now, for your favorite part, Zac, let's look at the food, right? All the New Year party venues serve food that is lavish, which means there is a lot of it, and it's very high quality.
Right, Lily? And friends, in these parties you might even have a glass of something bubbly and fizzy. Oh, I mean, a flavored bubbly drink, like a lemon soda or a peach soda drink.
Very good recovery, Zac. And friends, the importance of these wholesome feasts is to ensure that the new year makes us feel optimistic and hopeful. Most importantly, confident that good things are coming our way in times ahead.
Hey Lily, speaking of the future, we can't move into the new year without a purposeful resolution. So, what should ours be for 2026?
Well, I think our personal resolution for the new year should be to remain focused on continued improvement. I want both of us to be reliable and knowledgeable mentors for all our students. And we can achieve this ourselves by staying consistent with our own studies.
Thanks, Lily. Very well summed up and simply explained. I completely agree with your meaningful thoughts. Now, what about all of you, my friends? I suggest that you choose a resolution that is centered on righteousness and right learning. To be righteous means being upright and making choices that are fair, honest, and noble, even when no one is watching.
And for your studies, aim to be diligent and purposeful. Don't just memorize words. Be thoughtful about how you use them, and help others use them as well. When you are studious and stay focused, your progress will be truly exceptional.
Whatever you choose as your resolution, we know that 2026 is going to be a spectacular and a prosperous year for you. Do let us know your resolutions in the comments.
On that note, here's wishing you all a very happy new year. We'll see you again in our next lesson very soon. Bye for now and have a wonderful celebration.